Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to apply for an overdraft with Bank of Scotland. So you can literally do this entire process online and it's a fairly straightforward process. So first, open up your browser and go to the Bank of Scotland website. So once you're there, you then have to log into your internet banking account. So if you don't have an account yet, you also have to set one up. So after logging in, simply navigate to the account you want to set up an overdraft on. So simply look for the More Options button next to your account and click on it. From the drop-down menu, you then have to select Overdraft. So this will then take you to the Overdraft application page. And on the application page, you will then be asked to provide some personal and financial information. So this usually includes your income details, monthly expenses, and any existing debts. So Bank of Scotland uses this information to assess your eligibility for an overdraft. And once you've filled out all the required information, simply submit your application and Bank of Scotland will review your details, and if everything checks out, it will then approve your overdraft. So guys, you will then receive a notification confirming your overdraft limit and you can then start using it immediately. So that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.